Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and it is in Indianapolis. It is a tornado warning. So we're just watching what's happening. And we're eating pizza.
No, she just said tag people. My case was worth a lot more than the insurance company was.
And I'm gonna show you. So yeah, and so we're actually seeing what's gonna happen right now. So anywho, I'm gonna show y'all the TV. If y'all can see the tornado warning. Hopefully y'all can see it. So yeah.
Sometimes a fast foodie's eyes are bigger than his wallet. A box of crispy.
So bye y'all. And it was like a short video, but yeah.